All right, day 53. All right, I'm at work. Parked my bike. I got 15 minutes. Day 53. All right, I'm off work. It's crazy how the sunlight, it's changing so quickly. It's already, it's still bright. When I was recording this like a couple weeks ago, it was still dark when I got off work. It was dark already when I got off work. So anyways, day 53. Going home now, just got off work. And I think I have a couple errands to run, like bills to pay. And I should be caught up, probably just clean my room some more and trying to organize it. Ninja Cat's first time watching TV. She's been kind of bored, so I tried everything and decided to turn on the TV, and now she's into it. You're ready to fight? You're huge now. Oh, you're ready to play, huh? I want to run from you. Yeah. Okay, you win. He's dead. All right, another workout day. Is it better this way? I don't even know. gonna focus on chest, triceps, push exercise, pull exercises, back, biceps, and some abs, okay? I mean, I think what I'm doing is okay, but the static hold, I feel like I'm not getting strong. So I think I do like actual reps. So we'll just start with the push-ups. I like these bars because I can go really deep, really get that stretch. Ah. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to add in some dips today. I can go all the way down. I'm going to do some leg lifts instead of just static hold. I'm going to do some Australian pull-ups if I don't squish my cat. And of course, a planche is a go. Oh, front lever. Front lever. So I get the assistive band. Watch out my mouth. I feel like I've gotten weaker, but it is day 3 back from my vacation. Just have to believe in the progress. Just work out every day. I've been working out for a while, so it does work. I'm not gonna see results so quick. So, all right, delayed gratification, right? That's what they say. All right, I'm gonna continue 100 reps each, so 10 sets each, basically. So, all right, day 53. My cat is being crazy. I'm done working out. Didn't clean, but I'm tired already. I think my next step is probably clean out one of these drawers and open up all those spaces and toss away some of the garbage, because a lot of stuff in there are stuff my parents uses or put in. And I have a bunch of cameras that I used, but I can probably organize it so I have more room. I cleaned up a lot of space. I should have showed a before and after picture. There's a lot less items on my dresser. And over here, it's pretty much cleared out. So, yeah. I'm gonna shower and then go to sleep. It is day 53. Peace.